Connect the Ethernet cable to the ESP Plus control board. Connect the Ethernet cable to an open port on the network switch or router. Next, we will use the controller display to enable the DHCP setpoint. Hold the back button for 3 seconds to access the setpoint menu. Use the up and down arrows to find the DHC setpoint. Press and release Enter to display the current setting. Use the up and down arrows to find Enable, ENA. Press and hold the Enter button for 3 seconds to confirm the setting and enable DHCP. Press the back button a few times to return to the default display. You will need to find and record the IP address for the controller. This is a series of 4 numbers. The IP address is shown on a sticker on the service parts list on the access panel. On a computer connected to the same network as the ESP Plus controller, open any browser, either wired or wireless. Enter the controller IP address into the address bar of the browser and press Enter. The controller home page should now be displayed. If the controller web page does not load, additional setup support or IT support may be required. If you want to make any changes to passwords, unit settings, etc., you must first log into the dashboard. If this is the first time accessing this controller, use the defaults, username of key2admin and a password of key2admin. Otherwise, use the username and password you set or were supplied. For more information and support materials for the ESP Plus, visit our website at t-rp.com/ESP.